Thanks to Garfield, reggae boy Leon Bailey has returned to Aston Villa after having his season-long loan at Italian club Roma cut short. Roma had been paying the full salary for the Jamaican international. The Italian club had also agreed to the option of buying Bailey at the end of the season for around US $25.7 million. However, the Jamaican international has struggled with injury this season, making just 7 Serie A appearances and playing in different positions, including as a striker. Roma did not have a break clause in the contract, with Villa needing to agree to the termination of the loan spell. According to the UK-based Talk Sports, Villa's manager Unai Emery could immediately welcome Bailey back into the squad, with a huge Premier League clash coming up against Newcastle United at St James's Park on Sunday. Emery reportedly made the decision to bring Bailey back on Tuesday, with Roma being informed about the recall. Bailey has made 144 appearances for Villa since joining in 2021, scoring 22 times and registering 24 assists. Villa are next in action in the Europa League against Fenerbahce on Thursday. Bailey's contract with Aston Villa runs until the summer of 2027.